Ok, svi vi koji ste gledali prvi dio vidjeli ste da smo došli do ovdje. Sada ljudi mora da pronađemo ove salvage poene da upgradeujemo aks.
This'll work. Just need a bit more.
Znači moramo ljudi upgradeovat aks da bi mogli ona vrata otvoriti.
Right, that should do it.
Evo sad već možemo.
Archaeologists from the Endurance.
Sad smo upgradeali.
All right, Laura. Shall we give it a go then?
Let's do this, Doctor.
Whenever you're ready.
I ulazimo ljudi u novi prostor. Šta nas tamo očekuje, sada ćemo da vidimo.
That female figure on the gate. Given the age of the symbols, it could be the Sun Queen.
Himiko. Are you sure you're not channeling Sam, Dr. Whitman?
Well, there's no doubt. Himiko had power. Some say shamanistic, elemental.
A woman wields that much power, and sooner or later it gets called witchcraft.
We shouldn't discount anything, even what may seem to us irrational. We still have much to learn about the world.
You sound like my father.
It could be one hell of a story, Laura.
Not if we don't live to tell it.
Incredible. It is Himiko.
But look, the bowl, the candles. Who are you people? What do you want with us?
Neko nas je ovdje uhvatio, vjerovatno ljuti Rusi. Sada ćemo se morati ljudi osloboditi.
А ты ведь хорошенькая, да? Напоминаешь мою сестру.
Ok ljudi, moramo se sad sakriti. Oni nas traže.
Anything? I can't find her. She's gone. We'll keep looking.
There! Another one!
Oh, God.
This group's got some fight. Gonna have to kill most of them. Too bad. Could use some tools.
The girl is missing. Keep an eye out.
All right.
What do you see?
Nothing.
This one's clear. Keep moving up the mountain.
Любишь играться в прятки, малышка? Думаешь, удастся спастись? No one escapes. Но трать моего времени! I always find Она тоже была порядочной стервой.
I gotov si. Gotov si, prljavi Rusi. Dobijamo ljudi novi gear, to je semi-automatic pištolj.
He's wounded. Over. Yeah. Good shot.
Moramo da bježimo. Zezno.
Another tanker?
Nah, looked like some kind of research ship.
Should be some good stuff then.
We'll find out soon.
What was that? I'll check it out. Help me out here! What's going on down there? Everything okay? Killer!
Ove smo riješili kod djece iz škole.
Lara, are you there?
Yes.
I can see smoke coming from the old ruins. Are you okay?
Oh God, Roth, I'm in trouble. They're killing people.
What? Who?
Men. I don't know why. I had to kill some of them. I had no choice.
That can't have been easy.
It's scary just how easy it was. You've got to warn the others, Roth.
Don't worry about them right now. You just do whatever it takes to get to me, Lara.
I'll try.
Evo ga salvage kutija. One su nam jako bitne ljudi kada hoćemo da upgradeujemo oružje. To ste već vidjeli. Imamo ovdje camp.
The thing about nightmares is sooner or later you wake up. But there's no waking up from this place. Which means I'm really here. I'm really doing these things. No, don't think about it, Lara. Not now. It won't help.
Just got word from the West Beach. Looks like a smaller group escaped to the lower forest.
Maybe we get a hunting party down there.
No, Father Matthias went himself. He told us to stay out.
What? You need help! Careful, sorry. Got some fight outside. We gotta keep behind cover. Give up now. Come on. somewhere. Find her.
Capture? Kill.
Kill her! She's too much trouble. What was that? Quiet! Quiet! You two, check that side.
Got it.
Keep looking. She's gotta be here somewhere. You find anything on that side?
Not a damn thing.
All the way to the sea caves.
Padaju ko kruške. No, idemo dalje.
There she is. Get behind something. You'll burn the whole place down.
I can do this.
Kuda se mi provlačimo, bato? Pa to samo može Lara. Ajde još malo. I evo nas.
Pack's up there somewhere.
I ovo ćete ljudi gledati u trećem dijelu. Hvala još jednom što ste gledali ovaj gameplay. Ljudi, ako vam se svidio, obavezno podijelite ovaj klip, bacite like, bacite subscribe, a mi se vidimo u drugom klipu. Ćao!